Hello, and welcome to this video on best practices that you can follow while creating a revenue share campaign on your tracker. In revenue share campaigns, instead of paying publishers a fixed amount per conversion, you share a percentage of the total revenue generated. Let's start by logging into your brand's publisher panel. Because our first task is to generate the tracking link from the brand's panel, which will be useful for setting up the campaign on our side. Click on the All Offers section, and choose the desired campaign that you want to run. You can see the complete information of this offer on the screen, for example, the campaign ID, preview URL, device, operating system, title, thumbnail, objective, etc. There is one more important section to notice, the description section. In this section, the brand or advertiser specifies any particular requirements that need to be addressed while running this campaign. As in this offer, only 1,000 conversions per month from European countries are permitted. So we will be taking care of it while creating our campaign. Below this, you can see the payout information for yourself. And on the right side, there is the most important section, where you can generate your own tracking link. Let's copy this tracking link and navigate to your in-house tracker to create the campaign. Currently, we are opting to use TrackEar as our tracker panel for the creation of this campaign. Go to the Campaigns, click on Create Campaign button, and, as a first step, we will be choosing the objective for this campaign. In the context of our revenue sharing campaign, it is essential to choose Sale as the objective. Next, select the advertiser, which in our case is the brand from whose panel we generated the tracking link for ourselves. Then, enter the title for this campaign as per your desire. The upcoming section contains a description. Similar to how your brand supplies you with a description, you can pass this on to your publishers. For example, European countries only. Next option is for entering the default campaign URL. Here we will be pasting the same tracking URL that we generated from our brand's platform. You have the option to enter a preview URL, which allows you to specify the final landing page a user will reach after clicking on the tracking link. Below this, there is an option for the conversion tracking method, where you can choose between postback or pixel methods. Let's keep it as a postback for now and move forward. Always remember to place your click ID macro against the brand's or advertiser's parameter so that we can smoothly track the conversions. In this case, P1 is the brand's parameter and the click_ID is TrackEar's macro. Let's move forward to one of the most important options, where we will be defining the revenue and payout. In a revenue share campaign, always consider the revenue as 100%, and specify the payout percentage that you want to share with your publishers. Then we have a few additional settings. For example, you can choose the visibility of this campaign. You can keep it public, private, or ask for permission, where public campaigns are open for everyone to view, while private campaigns are limited to the publishers you select, and ask for permission campaigns are visible to all, but they need to request your authorization before running any campaign. Next option is choosing the thumbnail. You can either download it from the brand's platform or take a screenshot from the final landing page. We have chosen a thumbnail here. After this, there is an option for adding time targeting, where you can specify a time or date range when you want to pause or expire this campaign. Let's skip this for now, and hit the Create button. And there you go. Our campaign has been created successfully. However, we are still pending with a few things before making this campaign live. First, go to the Settings section and select Revenue as the payout revenue calculation parameter for revenue share campaigns. By doing this, we're instructing the system to calculate the payout percentage based on the total revenue amount sent by the brand. The revenue share campaign is now set up, but we still need to complete two tasks, implementing a cap of 1,000 conversions per month and applying the targeting for European countries as outlined by the brand. Scroll down to the targeting section, and click on the Edit button. Click on the Add button and choose the country as variable, logic as allow, and then enter the value, which means name of the countries that you want to allow this campaign for. For example, Austria, Belgium. And after choosing all the countries as per your requirements, hit the Save button. And there you go. The targeting has been applied successfully. Now finally, we will be creating a cap of 1,000 conversions for this campaign. Scroll down to the settings section again. And click on the cap subsection. Click on the Add Cap button and choose the cap type as gross conversions, then choose the affiliate cap type either public or private. Your publishers will be able to see the public cap, whereas the private cap will remain visible only to you. One of the key features in TrackEar is the affiliate cap type, which can be set to either each or group. If you choose each, every publisher is permitted up to 1,000 conversions per month. Alternatively, if you select group, a total of 1,000 conversions per month is allowed across all publishers combined. Here you can choose what will be the status of this campaign once the cap reaches. Input the number of conversions, which is 1,000, in the monthly section and proceed. Finally, you can opt for a redirect. Once the cap is reached and traffic is still coming in, what would you like to do with that traffic? Would you like to redirect it to a blank page or another campaign? Let's leave it blank for now and press the Save button. And there you have it. We've successfully set up the revenue share campaign, incorporated the targeting, and applied the cap. The campaign is now ready to go live. However, we strongly advise conducting a test conversion before proceeding further. Let's create the test for this campaign. Generate the tracking link for your demo publisher or any other publisher, and use the browser or any tool that works best for you. In TrackEar, you get a tool named Postback Test Tool, which you can use to test the postback for your publisher. Paste the copied tracking link into the box as shown on the screen, choose the country from the drop-down menu in GEO section, and hit the Run Test button. And there you go. The test is successful. Let's proceed by verifying this conversion in the conversion report. First, copy the conversion ID located at the bottom. Navigate to the reporting section and select the conversion report. Use the filters to input the conversion ID, then click the search button. There you have it, the conversion has been tracked, and the campaign is set to launch. Thank you.